Here we go. We begin the game. First semifinal action ng Chooks to Go Pilipinas 3x3 Grand Finals.
And just like in the quarterfinals, Mac Cardona will be coming off the bench. Iba kasi yung view na tinitignan mo muna paano na tumatakbo yung game. Tsaka kapapasok at manggugulo.
Manggugulo, no?
Talagang yun ang magandang strategy mula sa labas. Sisimula para sa San Juan, Wilson, Ayon, and of course the big boy, Larry Muyang. Statham, binigay kay Monson. Sasaksak sa loob. Pumitin sa ere. Wala. Rebound ni Larry Muyang. Naagaw ni Monson. He will take a two-point shot. Baksak si Wilson sa rebound.
Physical nga.
Wala pa yan.
Wala pang 1 minute, ha?
Sumaksak si Muyang. Nasapal. Napitawan actually yung bola.
Oh, sayang. It's a good cut already.
Sinong weak link dito sa Pasig, Charles?
I think it might be Troy, but he might be the one guy that yung may lamang yung San Juan sa...
Pwede kang bumitaw ng konti.
Oo. Kailangan kay Troy. But he also has shown that he can make those outside shots. That's gonna be huge for him.
Papas sa linya.
Si Mac, excited na excited.
Intensity.
Oo.
Intensity.
Tinuturo pa sa referee. Nagko-coach pa kay John Wilson ngayon.
Medyo delayed yung referee. Buffer.
So ito, it's clear that they want to try to attack Troy with Muyang. But Troy defends it very well.
Difficult move mula kay Muyang. He goes up against two green shirts.
Mama kung mama para dito kay Muyang.
Oh. Uy, ganda ng bounce pass. Threading the needle. Si Joshua Monson pagtungo kay Statham. Tabla tayo, 1-all. Mismatch here, pero wow! What a shot by Ayon.
That was tough.
At siya, bumabantay kay Statham, ha? You like this matchup, Mago?
Very nice, very nice. And you know, everybody in the building right now going with the underdog. John Wilson, hindi niya nagustuhan na halos na clothesline si Ayon. Sabi niya, pangalawang beses na yan. Ano ba?
Problema, walang tinawag ang referee. Foul lang. Eh may second motion si Statham. Doon nagalit si Wilson. May technical foul ngayon si Wilson.
Ito na yung larong kalye. Watch it again dito. Makikita natin. Ayan, halos patanggal na yung leg. Hinagis palabas dahil nga maliit. Parang langaw. Pero yun, sa likod. Biglang sumulpot si John Wilson. Rest back nga, ika nga, diba?
Actually, si Statham has become more and more physical as the weeks have gone by.
Totoo yan. But he is a cool dude. Dahil miski siya medyo pinipisikal ng iba. Hindi nawawala yung kanyang demeanor.
Oo, ganun lang. Chill lang.
Muyang.
See, they've attacked Troy right.
Ganda. Pero masyado malalim.
Oo.
Good steal by Ayon. Dapat kay Monson. They go to Wilson. Statham is there. Napayungan ng kote. Pasok pa rin.
Wow.
The sexy two para kay John Wilson right in the face of Statham.
That was tough.
4-2 ang ating talaan. San Juan, abante ng dalawa. And look at this small man taking on Statham. Outside shot. Muntik na maubusan ng shot clock.
I think that actually should have been a shot clock violation.
Oh.
He had the ball when they shot. Pero ngayon, napaganda dahil sa grindhouse, they get the possession.
And watch this shot again. Right on the defense. Walang aling two-point shot brought to you by Chooks to Go, ang nag-iisang manok ng bayan.
And you were talking about this early, yung focus, yung mga veterano, John Wilson sending a message to Statham that they are not gonna take any kind of physicality. Eh, mukhang siya nananalo ngayon, mental battle.
Totoo yan. By the way, there's one more thing at stake here today in this particular game. Kung manalo ang Grindhouse Kings Pasig, they will make it already to the FIBA 3-on-3 sa Dubai. As we take a look at that shot from Joshua Monzon.
And if they finish no lower than third, eh, papasok na nga sila doon.
Ang pinasa ni De Vera, pero kailangan ilabas.
Pero galing block yun na. Sa bagay, save possession, sabi ng referee, possession.
Possession ba, oh. Lamang po dito ang Grindhouse Kings Pasig ng isa, 5-4. You can expect this to be very intense. Monson, hataw ni Larry Muyang sa kanyang pagsaksak.
That's a hard foul.
Intensity ba? Partida, hindi pa pumapasok si height mo. Ngayon pa lang.
Malapit na. They're going small ball right now. Very interesting.
And we saw this kanina.
Yes, we did. Nakita namin ni Maguto in the last game, yung quarterfinal game ng San Juan. They played small ball and it worked wonders for them. Na-open up yung lane, nag-one-on-one si Cardona, Offensive rebound dito ni Monzon off a miss, and it will stay with the Grindhouse Kings Pasig. Joshua Monzon, of course, he has been, as they say, one of the top performers
Yes.
here in Chooks to Go. Bagay na bagay kasi ang kanyang galaw.
Oh, solid. And he plays both ends of the floor very well.
Nakakita ng buwang, tumira sa labas, wala. Hinahawakan ni Ayon sa Stadium, and that will be a foul.
That's an easy call to make. Good call.
You like how scrappy they are right now, but ang iingatan nila. Tatlong foul na lang, penalty na sila.
Remember how big the penalty situation is sa 3x3, mga kaibigan. Yung 7th team foul will mean all fouls will be 2 free throws. At sa ika-10 team foul, that means 2 free throws plus possession. Cardona, 5 seconds to shoot.
Spin move.
One-on-one. Rivera is there. Walang kwenta yung depensa.
Favorite eh. Go-to move ni Mac. You cannot let him do that.
5-all. Monzon, binitawan ni Cardona.
Ooh.
Hindi rin pwede yun.
Yep, that's a bad decision by Mac. Lalo na wala nang dribble si Monzon nun eh.
Maguyan ang kaibahan no, ni Paulo Hubalde at saka ni Monzon. Si Monzon may tira sa labas eh.
Yep.
In the meantime, Ayon with a great drive. 1 point lead na lamang para sa Pasig. Stayed up with the left hand. No. Rebound. Ayon. Off a tap by Wilson. Cardona makes a 2. Goes inside.
Nako, walang help.
And a block and a foul. By Rivera. Nakahawak si Lales.
Yes.
No?
And you like how Mac used that shoulder to create yung space na kailangan niya just to release the shot.
Konting separation lang ito yung sinasabi ni Magu. Right there. Then Monzon, binitawan ni Cardona and babawian ka naman yung ganyan. Very close game here. Cardona trying to tie this game with 5 and 10 remaining. Alright, tabla po tayo sa 7. Binigyan ng screen ni Wright, offensive foul.
Ooh, Wilson selling that screen. I really love that.
Bihira yung offensive
Oh,
foul dito eh.
lalo na palabas pa lang yung bola.
Oh.
I love the passion that John Wilson is showing right now in this game. Grabe.
Nakakahawa kasi yung passion ni Cardona at saka ni
Oh,
Wilson. Ayan na.
He's pumping up everybody here.
Eh sabi nga namin ni Magu Charles paano ka naman hindi magkakaroon ng passion? 1 milyon pinaglalabanan dito.
Yun din.
Cardona, jump hook na naman!
Wow. Oh,
Ayun na!
Ayun na!
Right. And there's a push off by Troy Wright. And now, the underdog status is coming to play here para sa San Juan Knights. They're getting parang home court na no?
And then, any Filipino basketball fan, makakita ka ng tatlong gwardya. Kalaban, malalaki, mapuputi, kakampihan at kakampihan pa.
Ayun, tinulak ni Rek. Kitang-kita yung tulak sa likod. Cardona ngayon, nilalabanan si Statham.
He wants the ball.
Nakalusot si Cardona!
Sinukat na naman!
And it's now a 2-point lead para sa San Juan Knights.
Sabi ni Wilson, doon ka kay Monzon.
Masaya itong laban na to. Monzon, sasaksak sa loob. Nakalusot din. Mintis ang tira. Follow up ni Troy Wright. And there's a foul by John Wilson.
Pero may end one. Malaking bagay yun.
Dito naman yung size. Magkakatalo sa offensive rebounding.
What a matchup yun yan. No? Kailangan maka-refocus itong Grindhouse Kings dahil hindi ka titigilan ni Mac all day long.
I think San Juan knows. They're just gonna give Mac the ball. Bahala na siya. They're gonna let him create non-stop.
And one play completed by Troy Wright. Tabla ulit tayo sa 9. Ayon nilabas Cardona. Sasaksak sa loob. Nilaglag na. Naantay. Ika ka na-expect ni Monzon yun. Nabangan niya yung pasang yun. Good defense. Statham from the side. Yes.
Now looks like Grindhouse starting to settle down, Charles.
Yep. That's the beauty of having a guy like Statham. He can really bail you out and just get baskets for you also. Ooh!
Oh, ang ganda na lusot. Ni John Wilson yung tagaw. Ayon ang inbound pass. Cardona.
Spin move. Uy!
Tumama sa kanyang paa yung bola. Nag-dribble at lalabas. Babalik sa panig ng Pasig.
Nakita mo, si John Wilson talaga yung nagdidirect sa San Juan. Sa matchups, lahat siya nagtuturo. He wants to be the one to guard Statham. Ayaw niya rin mag-switch kasi gusto niya, kita mo, ayaw na nila mag-switch sa mga ball screen. Although ito, nagkamali.
Statham, easy layup with the left hand. Back to a 1-point lead para sa Pasig. They will have to work double time here.
Tough shot.
Fall away, nothing. Rebound by Statham. 2 and 53 remaining. 11-10 ang ating talaan. Monzon. Nilabas kay Wright. Sa loob, tumira si Wright. Tatalbog palabas, rebound. Same ball. Wow, what a game, what a game. Ang tindi ng intensity at mapipilitan tumawag ng timeout ang dalawang koponan. They are leaving it all on the floor right now, boys. 11-10 ang ating talaan with only 2.5 remaining. And right now, Charles, nakikita natin, magical yung small ball ng San Juan, pero mukhang nakaka-adjust na ng konti itong Grindhouse Kings passing.
Yeah, and then now, I see ito si Muyang. So, San Juan naman, sila naman ang mag-a-adjust ngayon. They're gonna put a bigger guy out there. Pero problema, yung Grindhouse Kings, they have to see Taylor. I think he can go against anybody. And then may mga miscommunication rin sa San Juan kahit papaano. So ito, Mac wants Taylor Statham. I thought actually Wilson was the one doing a better job on Statham, but Mac seems to want the challenge right now.
And he is defending Statham. Forced shot, wala. Rebound, offensive rebound ni Monzon. Napunta kay Reich. Yes, sir.
Yan yung
What the
lamang
curl.
ng Grindhouse. Pakinang putback na nila.
Nahihirapan ka. There's an outside shot by Cardona. Yes! Alam mo, mahalaga din yan, Magu, because they have not taken too many outside shots. Monzon, babawi sana. Wala. Rebound. Loose ball. Oh!
Ooh, this could be a game changer here. They call it unsportsmanlike on Mac Cardona. Looked like he was going for the ball and may have poked Troy Reich in the eye.
Cardona immediately going to Troy Reich. Sabi niya, I was going after the ball. Let's watch this again.
He tried to go for the ball and dumaplis lang.
Yan, nakaagawan sa ilalim. And then,
medyo may second motion nga talaga. Wala na yung bola doon.
nawala na yung bola dun eh.
Eh, nakatikit pa kay Troy.
But you gotta love how the San Juan Knights are not backing down kahit na imposing nga yung presence nitong number 1 team natin ng Grindhouse Kings.
Grindhouse Kings passing, mga kaibigan, has won the last, or rather 3 of the last 4 legs ng ating Chooks to Go Pilipinas 3x3.
Taylor's finger is bleeding.
Ah, tumudugo ang daliri ni Statham.
And he cannot continue to play if they cannot sew that up.
That might be a break as well para
You know,
sa San Juan.
if I were Taylor, I wouldn't show it to the refs. Because if you get subbed out,
Oh.
matagal pa bago ka bumalik. Tiis mo na lang, 2 minutes na lang eh.
Ayan na, hindi na nga niya pinapakita. Narinig ka.
Pero he was shouting, where's the trainer? Where's the trainer?
Meantime, Cardona is signaling na wala yun.
Ayun, nakita na ng referee. Ay,
Ay, kasi pati
sa tuhod rin.
Pati
Wala.
tuhod eh.
They're gonna have to sub him out.
So now,
De Vera's gonna have to come in here.
so literally, Magu, this is now being played blood, sweat, and tears. Literally na to.
Nakita natin to in one of the previous legs kung saan si
Sino nga yun? Oh,
Suerte, the main
Oh,
man of Max Forbirada Cebu, was taken out at a critical point of a game. Hindi siya pwedeng bumalik agad. It has to go at least 1 possession bago ka makabalik dahil nga
smart timeout by the Grindhouse Kings para makabalik muna si...
give him time na. Kaya ayusin mo na yung mga sugat nito. Dalawa yung sugat eh.
At tatlo-tatlo pa ang tumitingin kay Taylor Statham sa kasalukuyan. Si Cardona,
si Mara.
si Cardona naman, panay ang daing sa'yo, Magu.
Ay,
Hanggang ngayon, nakala niya, ano ka pa rin eh. Table officials.
Kanina sa akin nagpapasok ni Sa. Ano ginagawa nito?
12-all ang ating score. 2 minutes and a shade in this game remaining. And what a game it has been. San Juan Knights, however, ay nasa penalty na with 17 fouls.
That is going to be a huge blow para dito sa San Juan Knights. Right makes him pay with that first one.
This will be close. And another free throw will be given to Troy Reich. And I think they will keep possession, no?
pero bakit may rebounder?
Ah, oo nga, no?
Unless they change the call all of a sudden.
O, to penalty. Penalty situation foul.
The regular foul.
Dalawa lamang ng passing. Sasaksak si Ayon na nilabas si Cardona.
Oh,
Sasaksak rin siya sa loob. He goes up and there's a foul by De Vera.
Pero ang galing ng San Juan, no? Nakita nila wala si Statham. Agad-agad pinalabas si Kuyang, pinakasok sa ayon-ayon.
Tama.
They're back to the small ball.
And up to now, si Statham is still being attended to by the medics. Cardona makes the free throw. Lead is down to 1. And that will be another delay here. Pero wala. Naku, nadulas lang. O tatawagan ba ng technical to?
Foul ata tinawag, masakit yun. Or baka
Is it a
hindi
foul?
sadya. Hindi, wala.
Hindi naman.
Hindi naman sadya eh.
Oh, nadulas. At ngayon, babalik sa loob si Statham.
They needed that break again just to get this guy going.
Still a close game here. This is our first semifinals of the Chooks to Go Pilipinas 3x3 Grand Finals. Statham inside with the left hand, and it's in! May kasama pang foul.
And then that's 2 more free throws. So wow, that could be the play of the game perhaps.
Yan si Statham, ginamit ang kaliwa, ginamit ang lakas. And he is all pumped up here, giving his team a 2-point lead.
This is a matchup made in heaven right now. Yung contrast of styles, napakagandang pagsabungin, eh, no?
Oo. Parang sabog na mas malaki yung yung manok ng kalabaw. Pero ito dahil doon nasa penalty na,
2
dalawa
free throws.
pa.
Oo,
pambihira.
kaya nga game changer yan.
Ay, naku, malaki yan.
Now those little fouls that they could have gotten away with earlier, sumasalik na.
And nabanggit mo yan, Magu, because you said that the team fouls will play a big part here. They need this one. Cardona hits a 2-point shot.
He's been clutch.
Lead is down to 2 and another whistle here. Oh, mukhang talaga nagkaka-personalan na. Troy Reich is back down on the canvas.
And yun, putok yung kilay ni Mac Cardona. He's got a boxer's cut right now.
And Cardona showing it to the refs. Was there a head bump? Was there an elbow? Let's check this out. Narito si Cardona. There's the pick given. Boom! Nagkatamaan ng ulo. Parang sa boxing.
And now Joshua Monzon and Mac Cardona nose to nose talking to each other here.
Ayan, pati si Cardona. Sabi niya, ikaw na nandiyan eh. This is getting physical. This is getting very intense.
And you know Mac will not back down.
Oh,
from
hindi
anybody,
atras yan.
no?
Hindi atras yan.
Oh my God, so.
And Mac is talking now to the San Juan Knights officials here.
He's been the best player though for San Juan.
Oh,
He's been
yes.
carrying them scoring-wise.
Again, this is very, very crucial dahil doon sa foul na yan, another 2 free throws para kay Reich. He misses his first, however.
Big break. Pero if you're San Juan also, you better not commit 1 more foul. Kundi 10 fouls na kayo.
Two free throws plus possession.
Gotta box out here in case he misses.
And he makes that one. Lead is up to 3. Oy, naku, malas talaga. Tumama sa paa ni John Wilson yung dribble.
No.
No. Mukhang they say it came off the foot of
I
Statham.
think Wilson also thought it was off.
Oh, yun din ang tingin ko eh.
A break going the way of San Juan, and that got Mac Cardona back in the game.
Ayaw magpasab ni Mac.
And he is against Troy Reich, so that will be something to look out for.
Sapul din si Wilson sa mukha.
Wilson, ay, nabitawan ng bola. No foul. It will remain with the blue shirts of San Juan. Alam mo, parang imbis na maapektuhan ng Pasig, ang naapektuhan yung San Juan eh. Sa pisikalan.
Let's keep an eye on this last 1 minute, ha?
Cardona goes up. Yes.
Oh, he beat the shot clock buzzer there.
Dalawan lamang ng Pasig.
Just don't foul if you're San Juan.
Inside pass. Reich gets the pass. Goes up. Ang sayo ni Ayon. Reich again goes up. Wala rebound ni Ayon.
Wow!
Wilson. And we have a tie game. Monson pinilit. Wala rebound ni Ayon. 44 seconds to go. Nabitawan ng bola.
Wow! Medyo nagmadali si Ayon. Gotta give it to your 2 veterans, the guys who've been doing the heavy lifting. You're San Juan, just don't foul. San Juan, honest defense lang. Makashoot.
Hindi kailangan mag-foul. Tabla naman tayo 18 all.
Look at Max staring down Statham here. Hindi pa na-inbound, nagkikis-kisa na sila.
Mac needs to keep his cool though.
Yeah.
Don't commit a foul.
No foul. Imperative yan. Here's Statham. He goes up. Nabangga na. Pasok. Statham looking for a foul. Lead is back with Grindhouse Kings Pasig. Tumira sa labas. Wala. Kay Cardona. Cardona. Monson with the rebound. He can win it all now.
No twos. Here's San Juan. I don't know if Mac knows it.
For the win! No! Rebound, kay Cardona. Nowhere to go. Wilson for the two. Wala! Rebound in Troy Wright. 10 seconds to go. They don't need to make a shot here. And there's an offensive foul.
Wow, this is
Laban kay Troy
crazy.
Wright.
This
crazy.
is huge.
Uh-oh.
It looks like Statham is hurt.
Tapilok ba yan or cramps?
Oh, 7.1 remaining here, and San Juan will have possession.
And they can steal this one. Let's watch this again. There's the handoff. And a little bump. And now San Juan has an opportunity because of this call to win this game. 7 seconds na lang po. Kapit bayan.
You gotta love it. Chooks to go Pilipinas 3x3 at its best here.
This is the first semifinals pa lamang. Winner goes to the finals and a chance for $1 million. Cardona. Binubulabog ni Monson. A second to go. And no foul. And it's over. Pasig wins the semifinals.
So many things going on. San Juan asking for a foul or a dribbling violation.
What defense by Josh Monzon. Grabe yung pressure niya kay Mac Cardona doon. Nadulas lang yung bola.
What a game. What a game. Ito yung last few seconds, Magu. Charles, look at the defense. Two hands. Cardona looking at the clock. He sees there's only a second remaining na pitawan ng bola and that was it.
He knew the time eh. Sukat na sukat niya. Nadulas lang yung bola. And, sayang. But you know what? As competitive as that game was, I love the sportsmanship after. Nagkakamayan naman sila kahit na sobrang physical, sobrang intense. Kala mo magpapatayan na talaga sila. Look at Mac though right now.
That is a man who left everything he had right there.
That is a picture of exhaustion, frustration, but also valor. What a game para kay Mac Cardona. And of course, we have to name our best player of the game. This guy, he was big, both inside, outside, he was tough. Taylor Statham, ang Chooks to Go Manok ng Bayan player of the game. And Mac Cardona moving out of the floor with his head high up and getting the applause from this very appreciative crowd here.
Yeah, I think he deserves it. He deserves that applause. I really love the way he played in this matchup.
Pero itong Grindhouse Kings, true to their team name, they grinded that one out.
And right now, they are with Mara Aquino. Mara?
Kasama ko ngayon ang Grindhouse Kings. Statham, what a game. Now, there's so many things happening during that game. Let's talk about the emotions.
I mean, this was a do-or-die game to go to Qatar and represent the Philippines, so we had to win it.
And let's talk about the physicality that happened. You went down a lot. What do you think about your opponent and the physicality that was going on inside?
It's nothing malicious. They're just trying to play hard. If it's a foul, it's a foul. I have no ill will towards them. We're just trying to play well and win and do what we can. But, you know, we're all competitors. We're all competitors. It's all good.
Monson, the #1 3x3 player. Now you guys are heading to FIBA 3x3 World Tour, and how does that feel?
It's just an honor to be able to represent the country and just to have this opportunity. You know, we've been working all season for it, and at this moment right now, it's just everything is coming into fruition. Just an honor to represent the Philippines, so definitely.
Leo, how was it like replacing Dylan Ababu? And now you're with the winning team.
I'm super grateful. Thank the Lord, and let's keep going, let's keep moving, and stay motivated. I'm very excited.
Congratulations to the Grindhouse Kings.